Are you in need of top-notch 3D scanning services in Noida Sector 50, Delhi, NCR? Look no further because Scon Design India Pvt Ltd is here to cater to all your needs. With their cutting-edge technology and exceptional expertise, Scon Design India Pvt Ltd has established itself as a leader in the field of 3D scanning services. Whether you need 3D scanning for architectural purposes, product design, or any other application, they have got you covered. Scon Design India Pvt Ltd takes pride in their state-of-the-art equipment that enables them to provide accurate and high-quality 3D scanning services. Their team of skilled professionals is well-versed in the latest scanning techniques and can handle projects of any scale with ease. From small objects to large structures, they have the capability to capture every intricate detail with precision. What sets Scon Design India Pvt Ltd apart from their competitors is their commitment to customer satisfaction. They understand that every project is unique and requires a tailored approach. That's why they work closely with their clients to understand their specific requirements and deliver customized solutions that meet their expectations. Whether you are an individual looking for a one-time scanning service or a company in need of long-term assistance, they can adapt to your needs and provide the best possible outcome. In addition to their exceptional services, Scon Design India Pvt Ltd also offers competitive pricing. They believe that high-quality 3D scanning should be accessible to everyone, regardless of their budget. By offering cost-effective solutions, they ensure that more individuals and businesses can benefit from their expertise and take advantage of the endless possibilities that 3D scanning has to offer. Are you in need of top-notch 3D scanning services in Noida Sector 50, Delhi, NCR? Look no further, because Scon Design India Pvt Ltd is here to meet all your scanning needs. With their cutting-edge technology and expertise in the field, Scon Design India Pvt Ltd is the go-to company for all things 3D scanning. Whether you need to scan architectural structures, industrial equipment, or even intricate artwork, they have the tools and knowledge to provide you with accurate and detailed scans. What sets Scon Design India Pvt Ltd apart from other scanning services is their commitment to quality. They understand the importance of precise measurements and high-resolution scans, ensuring that every detail is captured flawlessly. No matter how complex or challenging the project may be, their team of professionals will go above and beyond to deliver exceptional results. Located in Noida Sector 50, Delhi, NCR, Scon Design India Pvt Ltd is conveniently accessible to clients in the area. This means that you can easily visit their facility and discuss your scanning needs face-to-face. Their friendly and knowledgeable staff will take the time to understand your requirements and provide you with personalized solutions that meet your specific needs. When it comes to 3D scanning services, Scon Design India Pvt Ltd stands out for their reliability and efficiency. They prioritize customer satisfaction and work diligently to meet deadlines with